fraud. Ain't nobody got time for that. As a small business owner, you may underestimate the threat of fraud. Yet studies show that small businesses and startups actually face the greatest risk. Ooh, girl, I scared myself. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you out. Hello, and welcome to Taur's Tutorials. My name is Taur, and I'm here to teach you how to open phone. Today's topic, 3 tips for fraud prevention for small businesses and startups. Let's get into it. Number 1, fraud risk assessment. The best way to protect your company from fraud is by setting up a strong risk assessment plan. This will help you identify all the potential risks that could affect your business, allow you to create controls for each one so they can be strategically addressed in order to counteract them. Once you've implemented your fraud risk assessment plan, make sure each risk and control pair has a stakeholder that can update the plan frequently. Number 2, protect your tech. Y'all, these cyber criminals will really be trying it. They're constantly developing new fraudulent methods to compromise your systems and networks to access your funds and data illegally. It's giving the innovation that nobody asked for. A few things you can do are set up strict password creation protocols and have your employees change their passwords every 60 to 90 days. Have a consistent file backup policy and consider storing your info off-site to minimize downtime if your system is compromised. Go through any online requests that your company receives with a fine-tooth comb, even if they seem 100% legit, and especially if they're marked urgent or time-sensitive. Number 3, educate your team. Fraud prevention is a team effort, y'all. Create a fraud risk policy that clearly defines what is fraud, what is not, how to recognize the warning signs, and the proper actions to take when reporting suspicious activity. And that's it. But that's not all. There are many other aspects to consider, so let me know if you'd like a part 2 in the comments. Come back next week where we talk about how to write your customers a heartwarming holiday text. See you then. Bye!